Hello viewers, welcome back to Trendy Output YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to make lemongrass tea. Here we have some lemongrass. So let's start. Now I am taking 1.5 cup water. Let it boil. While water started boiling, now add some mashed lemongrass. We can add some ilachi or ginger also. This is optional. If you want this flavor, you can add. Now our lemongrass tea is ready. Now switch off the flame and we can serve it with some honey. Now add 1 tablespoon honey. Now filter our lemongrass tea. Now mix well. Lemongrass tea is ready. Thanks for watching the video.